Piny mar Amerka osingo mar medo konyo piny Kenya loso chanjo kod chenro mopogore opogore bedo thieth mapacho kaka achiel kuom yore mag tego osiepe kind piny Kenya kod Amerka. Jatend piny William Ruto ogolo paro mar kelo lokruok e sekta mar thieth mapacho ka kikonye kod piny Amerka e kinde manolimo apisi maduong' mar Center for Disease Control mantiere Atlanta, Georgia, piny mar Amerka. Bende Ruto nobedo janeno e keto kogno winjruok e kind CDC kod KEMRI, migawo mar thieth kod chenro mar jatend piny Amerka mar weche mamuoch apoya ne reso oganda mani kod kute mag ayaki.
I think you may know CDC has supported the establishment of 3 BSL-3 labs at KEMRI, and this will be the hub of that work. We're going to be working more on malaria, on genetic sequencing, and making sure that we're working on, again, the next generation of the scientific advancements to power the manufacturing you were just hearing about.
In collaboration with the U.S., Kenya is transitioning HIV, malaria, and tuberculosis programs into primary healthcare initiatives, aligning with Sustainable Goal number 3. This shift enhances program sustainability and meets the healthcare needs of vulnerable Kenyans across the country. In 2022, we launched the National Public Health Institute to enhance coordination and strengthen our public health systems in response to COVID-19 pandemic. This milestone signifies our commitment to improving capacity for early detection, rapid response, accurate testing, and effective recovery management.